Here's a Ford Fiesta 1 liter Ford Fiesta 2021. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery, CR2032 battery. First, you need to remove the cover. Okay, if you squeeze the button on the side, yeah, the cover open up. Yes. Mechanical key, remove the mechanical key. Okay. Okay, use the screwdriver. If you insert the screwdriver there, yes, if you give it a twist, yeah, twist it and then you open up. See, open up, and then slowly you just open the cover. Slowly open the cover. Here's the battery. Yep, it's a CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, yeah, CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, yeah, this angle in first. Line the key up, especially on the top here. That's a CD. Okay, this go in first, and then press it down. Put the mechanical key in. Okay, put the cover back on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.